What's up everyone? Welcome to Yoga with Adriene. I'm Adriene and this is Benji, and today we have Rainbow Yoga, the perfect practice to brighten your day, to help turn darkness into light. So hop into something comfy and let's get started. Okay, my darling friends, let's begin in a nice, comfortable seat of your choice. So you get to decide how you want to sit today. You can start kneeling, you could start in cross-legged, you can start this first part on the edge of your couch. So find what feels good and come into your seat. And when you're ready, take a deep breath in and lift your shoulders all the way up to your ears here to start. And as you exhale, drop the shoulders down. Two more like that. Inhale, squeeze and lift, squeeze, 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 squeeze. And exhale, let's let go of any stress or tension. And one more time, big inhale, squeeze and lift. Really breathing into your full capacity here, holding your breath at the top. And then exhale to let go. So we're letting go of any bad juju, any haterade, any energy that's just not serving us, right? Whether it's just a small tantrum or a little frustration, maybe we were bored or exhausted, whatever it is. I'm so glad you chose this bright, beautiful yoga practice. Let's find what feels good. You're gonna bring your left fingertips down to your couch or to the earth. And you're gonna paint a big rainbow with the right fingertips all the way up and over as you create length in your right side body. Now really, really reach. When you get to your max capacity, wiggle the right fingertips. Let your fingertips just kind of twinkle here. And then slowly bring it all the way up and take it to the other side. Right fingertips down. And from there, paint a big rainbow with your fingertips all the way up and over, feeling that awesome stretch in the left side body. And when you get there, reach a little further, twinkle the left fingertips, big stretch. Yes, and then come all the way back. Awesome. From here, you're gonna move from whatever seat you chose to the ground. And we're gonna bring the left heel in, so one heel in, and then one heel behind. So you're gonna create this shape in your body, and if you find that it's really hard to sit up nice and tall, know that you're not alone. But one helpful thing is to just lift the hips up on a little couch cushion or rolled up towel or blanket. All right, then you're gonna bring your right fingertips right in front of you and your left fingertips to the outer edge of your left leg. And then very slowly, we're gonna bring the right knee all the way up and then bring it all the way down. And then bring it all the way up and then all the way down. And keep this action going. We're bringing a little space and movement into the right hip, creating a little half rainbow shape or almost like a windshield wiper with the right knee back and forth. Excellent. And the next time your right knee is up, go ahead and keep it there. Your right foot may or may not come all the way to the ground. And then from here, you're gonna bring your left hand to the earth and same little ditty, right fingertips reach forward, up and over to the left. Great, then slowly bring it all the way back in. And we'll switch to the other side. Right heel comes in, left heel goes behind, or just opposite leg than the ones you did before. And just find your setup first. And then left fingertips go in front of you, right fingertips go behind you just for a little stability. And then you can use your hands here to help guide the left knee up. Breathing the whole way long. Nice and slow. And instead of just working to get your knee up, really pay attention to how this is all connected. The whole body is connected. So sometimes when we're tight in one area of the body, it's helpful to move the whole body with breath to tend to it rather than just targeting that one spot. All right, the next time your left knee's up, plant that left foot into the ground. Use your hands to sit up nice and tall. Breathe deep here. And then here we go. Right hand comes to the earth, left fingertips reach all the way out and up and over, creating big stretch in the left side body. Inhale in, and then exhale, bring it all the way back. All right, bring the soles of the feet together here. We're gonna grab the ankles and nice and slow bring the knees up and in, feet come to the ground, and then bring the feet together, take the knees down and out. Keep it going all the way up and in, and all the way down and out. And no matter what age you are, you might take a second here to close your eyes and just think about a beautiful, colorful butterfly. Maybe if you are a kid or a kid at heart, you might take this moment here to ask, what color butterfly would you be if you were a butterfly? What color or what colors would you be if you were a butterfly? And then I dare you guys, if you're adults, to tell us what color butterfly you would be in the comment section down below after this practice. Okay. You're doing awesome. The next time the knees come up, go ahead and bring them in. And again, don't try to copycat my shape and my body. Be true to your body. So if you can't get here, make it your own. Maybe creating a little more space. So that's one of the beautiful things about at-home yoga is we come to remember and remind ourselves and each other that yoga is about getting to the true you, not copying or emulating somebody else's version of yoga or the shapes or the experience. It's totally yours. So as you gently bow your head to your heart and start to wake up through the back body and get a great, lovely big stretch through the back of the neck, you can just meditate on that and send some love to all parts of yourself. Inhale lots of love in, exhale lots of love out. Cool. Slowly lift the head, come back up. We're gonna grab the hamstrings, backs of the thighs, as you lift the toes up for a little balancing posture here. Great, breathing deep. You might take the fingertips out if you want a little more challenge. Lifting the heart, waking up the core. Great, and then if you want, you can straighten one leg. Just see what happens if you straighten just one leg. Don't think too hard, breathe deep. And then bend that knee and then straighten the other leg. Just see what happens. Keep your heart lifted, open mind, and then bend. And then maybe let's see what happens if we send both toes up towards the sky. We're here for 3, 2, on the 1. Cross your ankles, come all the way through to all fours. Excellent. From here, you're gonna come to tabletop position. Shoulders over the wrists, hips over the knees. Cat pose and cow pose moving together. Start with cat. You're gonna draw the navel up, press away from your yoga mat, and arch your back like a black Halloween cat. Create space in the back body, claw through the fingertips. Now cow pose, drop the belly, open the chest. Let your heart shine forward and lift the corners of your mouth slightly. If you're wondering, why did I pick this rainbow yoga video? Just trust. Maybe this is a good one for you right now and you don't even know it. Rounding through the spine, cat pose. Spinal flexion. Dropping the belly, staying connected to your foundation. Cow. One more time, cat pose, rounding through. Breathe out. And then dropping the belly, opening the chest. Breathe in. Yay, all right, from here, we're gonna walk the knees in just a bit, kick the right foot out, and then sweep the right foot all the way up into a nice low lunge. You can walk the knee back if you need a deeper stretch here. Find your breath again, inhaling in, and using your exhale to really relax your shoulders down. All right, then take your left toes and you're gonna bring them over around towards the right side of your mat. Then you're gonna bring your right hand to the right inner arch of your right foot. All right, here we go. You're gonna put a big paintbrush in your left hand and you're gonna take that paintbrush all the way towards the front edge of your mat. You can lift up on the right hand as you reach all the way up. You're painting a big rainbow all the way up and overhead. Stay connected through that front foot as you bring it all the way down to the ground. Fingertips or left palm to the ground here as we reach the right fingertips up. Then you're gonna slowly take your time, straighten your right leg, turn your right toes in, and find this gate pose variation. All right, then we're gonna play a little guitar here. So you're gonna take your right fingertips forward and then through and then around and then back. And then you're gonna keep this circular motion going in your right hand as you wake up through the shoulder, through the side body. Core is lit up here, foundation is strong. Now just find a softness and easiness in your face as you strum the guitar here. Once more. Awesome. And then we're gonna go all the way back the way we came in. So you're gonna anchor through your center, your core. You're gonna come all the way up, reverse with your paintbrush, turn the right toes out nice and slow, hold onto your balance, move slow and steady, and bring it all the way back to your nice low lunge. Excellent. Here we go. Lift your heart up towards the sky, sweep the fingertips forward, up and back, big stretch, and then exhale, bring it all the way down. Plant the palms, bring your right knee back to the earth, and we're gonna kick the left leg out long. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, sweep the left foot all the way up. Send your right knee back just a bit. Find that nice yummy stretch. Keep breathing. And then when you're ready, sweep the right toes towards the left side of your mat. Bring your left hand now just next to the left inner arch. And then you really wanna pull back with your left hip crease here, breathing deep. Before we take our paintbrush, so strong foundation, front knee over front ankle, and reach it forward, up, around, and back. Excellent. When you feel like you've found the earth with your right fingertips or right palm, then you can hug the low ribs in, start to straighten through your left leg, and turn those left toes in. Then left fingertips reach up, we breathe deep. Using this shape, this opportunity to go inward. Self-care, self-love. And then here we go, bringing the left fingertips down and around. You're gonna move in a circular motion here, really feeling the skin of the body stretch as you go through your dance. Try to keep your foundation, that which is touching the earth, nice and strong. All right. When you're ready, let's reverse it. So here we go. Really hug the low ribs in, connect to your core, your center as you reverse it. You're gonna take your paintbrush all the way up and over. You're gonna turn the left toes back towards the front edge of your mat. Right leg comes to follow as we come back to our nice low lunge, framing the left foot. Here we go. Big breath. As you sweep the fingertips forward, up and back, lift your heart up towards the sky, and then exhale, melt it down. Plant the palms, come back to all fours. You can just shake your tail a little bit here one way, and then the other. Awesome. Then we're gonna walk the knees back, come onto the belly. Drag the hands in line with the rib cage, squeeze the elbows into the side body, tuck the chin into the chest, and cobra pose. Here we come. Inhale, lift the heart, gaze forward. Exhale, release. Awesome. Let's do one more. Inhale, lift the heart, gaze forward, and exhale to release. Awesome. Pressing back up to all fours, walk the knees together. You're gonna paint, just imagine now each fingertip is a paintbrush, a different color, and you're gonna paint two beautiful rainbow lines all the way down your mat, flick it away, and then melt gently forward into Child's Pose, Balasana. This is our last yoga pose for today. So find what feels good here. If you need to modify or change this up to come into a relaxation pose that feels okay for you, go ahead and do that now. And then I'll invite everyone to close their eyes, relax your shoulders, and give thanks for yourself, for showing up here today, for keeping an open mind. And when we practice having and experiencing an open mind on the yoga mat, then we know what it feels like to maintain that or have that or create that experience off the yoga mat. So in other words, if you wish to stay open-minded instead of closed-minded, yoga practice is a great way to do that. Who'd have thought? I swear. Okay, here we go. Slow and steady, come back up. Imagine you're a little seedling growing into a beautiful flower here. And you keep growing really tall. And you're going to end just the way we started, in a seated posture of your choice. So you can get creative here. You can add some style elements to your seated posture. Or you can go traditional. Wherever you are, sit up nice and tall now. Lift your heart. We'll close today's practice by bringing the palms together and honoring the love and the light and just the awesomeness in ourselves, while also celebrating and recognizing and seeing that in everyone else and everything else. When you're ready, take a deep breath in. And we'll seal today's rainbow yoga practice by bowing head to heart and shouting, saying, declaring, or whispering, Namaste. Thanks everyone. Benji and I send you our love. Let us know how you're feeling in the comment section down below. Take care.